Ibudget yakho without ama-rider, imalini?
Itotomari.
Hayi, ufuna uwazi. Makube njalo changed, you know, they renovated, it looks really dope. What do you think about this new setup? When are we getting a young EP album, anything like that?
There's something I'm working on with them Tudor.
What is up, Jerry's fam? My name is Kay Maskay, Kasa Kay Cinema Show inside Makube njalo. And I'm here with the one and only.
Angelic.
Ogrel.
Are the best.
Manje uthi ungithengela nini inwele ngoba sicule singayiceda?
Umala.
Alright, Ogrel.
Sharp, wena?
I'm good. Why are you enjoying the vibes? La Makube njalo.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the vibe. Mara, first of all,
Yeah.
sorry to you for what happened. Yeah, sharp. But yeah.
Akunaflop, akunankinga sidlulile kuyo. What is one thing that you always look forward to when you go to Groove?
Ukuzuba umnandi.
Nah.
Yeah. 'Cause that's the only thing.
Yeah.
Angeke ngiyele ubumnandi kuyoxoxa. Angeke ngibe ubumnandi ngiyobheka ukuthi ubani ugqoke yini.
Yeah.
Angeke ngibe ubumnandini ukuyofuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani wenzani.
Yeah.
Mina ngifuna ukuzuba umnandi. Ukuthi
Ngiyabonga.
ngiyajayiva ukuthi ugwatile ugwatela ngami I don't care.
Ibudget yakho without ama-rider, imalini?
Ini?
Ibudget yakho without ama-rider, imalini?
Itotomari.
Hayi, ufuna uwazi. Ama-rider wezo. Manje udila ama-rider kuphela?
No. Mina angisumuntu wama-rider. I-rider yi-hospitality.
Oh. Manje budget
Ayikho.
ngeke. Okay, tell us, what is your rider? Mama kubuka wena. What is included in your rider?
Mina amadonulo ayi-2.
Okay,
Ngiphuze Hennessy.
that's all. Are we getting any new music? We saw you recently dropped a new song. How is it doing?
It's doing good. The song mainly is Eyami Nolethu.
Yeah.
No Tabza T, but it's for Ulethu to get that feel nesikhathi
yeah.
yabona. So I'm trying to also push her ukuthi afike la kumele afike khona. But ingoma izakahle, but there's more songs from Ulethu and also myself.
When are we getting a young EP album, anything like that?
There's something I'm working on with them Tudor, and also now I'm working on myself, Karachi FM, Tabza T. Also I'm having artists, so yeah, it's pushing international gigs. Yeah.
And that's amazing. Last one. Makube njalo changed, you know, they renovated, it looks really dope. What do you think about this new setup?
It's very dope. It's absolutely amazing, and you can see people are comfortable, but
Yeah, they're very comfortable.
and it doesn't say who are elevated, who's not. As long as you are in the vibe,
Yes.